Hello friends, this is the second video of our series on the previous year's gate question on metal joining processes. So the first question is the carburizing flame lower, greater or equal to the neutral or oxidizing flame? Okay, we know that in gas welding, depending on the amount of oxygen and acetylene used, we can have three types of flames. In neutral flame, where the oxygen and acetylene are used in the same ratio, the maximum temperature obtained can be around 3200 degrees centigrade. Next, in carburizing flame, where acetylene percentage is more, the temperature up to 2700 degrees centigrade can be obtained. And finally, in oxidizing flame, we supply more oxygen as compared to acetylene. Temperatures up to as high as 3400 degrees centigrade can be obtained here. Hence, we can see that the lowest temperature is obtained in case of carburizing flame. So, the answer is option 1. Okay. Next, in the GATE exam of 2003, of the year 2003, they have asked about the temperature of the inner core of the flame in oxyacetylene gas welding. Okay, so when mixed in equal ratio, the core temperature reaches to up to 3200 degrees centigrade. So the correct option is 3200 degrees centigrade. Okay. Next, the major difficulty during the welding of aluminum is what? Actually, aluminum has a very strong affinity towards oxygen and reacts spontaneously to form aluminum oxide. Now the problem is that aluminum oxide has a very high melting point as compared to pure aluminum. Thus it creates a lot of problems during the welding of aluminum. So our correct option is number A, option A. Then the next question asks that which two of the following four processes are autogenous? Okay, now autogenous welding means the welding techniques where we don't use any kind of filler metals. So out of these four options, only in diffusion welding and friction welding we don't use any kind of filler metals. Otherwise, in electroslag welding as well as TIG welding, that is tungsten inert gas welding, we have to deposit filler metals in the weld pool to complete the process. So naturally the correct option is, the correct options are option number A and D. And the last question for today, it was asked in the year 2014 in the set 4. They are asking that what happens to the work material within the heat affected zone? Okay, the heat affected zone is the area just around the actual welding zone. Due to the intense heat in the faying regions, the regions that are near this area, they also encounter certain rise in temperature. However, they do not melt. So the temperature rise results in some kind of microstructural changes in this zone. So the correct option is number 1. They will not melt, but they will encounter some kind of microstructural changes. So this was all for today. I will be back with some more solved gate questions. So keep following Meg Vidya. Thank you.